you see harmony? Do you hear harmony? Do you know harmony? Do you make harmony? Little girl is lonely, sitting by herself. Take the time to say, what is your name? On the field of sport, angry with yourself. What's the point of blame? Seconds, no shame, and you will see harmony. You will hear harmony. You will know harmony. You will make harmony. So you have enough, someone is without. Throw aside your doubt, share what you have. Lost it with a friend, said some silly words, swallow down your pride. Tell them you're sorry then. Have you heard a story? Really isn't true. Seek and you shall find. Speak from the heart. Do you see a color, religion or a fault? Listen, look and learn. Stay true to yourself, and we will see harmony. We will hear harmony. We will know harmony. We will make harmony.